are watching Climate Samurai. And this is electric vehicle headlines. Jaguar Land Rover cars to be fully electric by 2030. Jaguar all-electric by 2025. In a bid to join global race to develop zero-emission models, Jaguar Land Rover has announced that its car range will be fully electric by 2030. The car manufacturer, which is owned by Tata Motors, said that it will phase out internal combustion engines over the next 5 years and become an all-electric vehicle luxury brand. Land Rover will launch 6 pure electric models in the next 5 years, with the first one coming in 2024, JLR said. Hyundai releases interior image of Ioniq 5 electric car ahead of global launch. Hyundai has teased the interior image of its upcoming midsize CUV, the Ioniq 5 electric car. The all-new electric car is scheduled for launch via a virtual world premiere on February 23. The battery electric vehicle, BEV, offers a spacious and versatile interior space. Delhi government to start registration of electric autos soon. Save up to 29,000 rupees. Delhi government will soon start facilitating registration of e-autos that can save up to 29,000 rupees as compared to their CNG equivalents, Delhi Transport Minister Kailash Gahlot recently said. Under its Switch Delhi campaign, the Delhi government will now focus on adoption of electric three-wheelers, including e-autos, e-rickshaws, and e-carts. Ford Europe promises to go all-electric by 2030. Ford has taken a significant step forward in its European transformation, with a commitment to go all-in on its electric passenger vehicles, and to substantially grow and electrify its leading commercial vehicle business. Ford has committed that by mid-2026, 100% of Ford's passenger vehicle range in Europe will be zero-emissions capable, all-electric, or plug-in hybrid, and will be completely all-electric by 2030. Ather Energy showcases its manufacturing plant in a short video, and it's amazing. Electric scooter startup Ather Energy has started operations at 123,000 square ft all-new production facility in Hosur, Tamil Nadu, as its plans to sell over 1 lakh scooters by the end of 2022. With this all-new facility, the company aims 10,000 scooters every month, with potential to grow that number exponentially. Eaton's vehicle group launches electric vehicle e-drive gearing design, development, and manufacturing. Eaton has announced that its vehicle group is developing gearing solutions for electrified vehicles, EVs. Leveraging its expertise in producing transmissions and contract manufactured gear sets for passenger and commercial vehicles, the vehicle group aims to be a leader in the global design, development, and supply of EV reduction gearing. SolarEdge e-mobility to supply electrical powertrain and battery solution for Fiat e-Ducato. SolarEdge e-mobility has announced that the company has been selected and will begin to supply full electrical powertrain units and batteries for the production of the Fiat e-Ducato light commercial vehicle. Ampere Electric to invest 700 Indian rupees crores for e-mobility manufacturing plant in Ranipet. Ampere Electric, the wholly owned electric mobility subsidiary of Greaves Cotton, announced phased investment potential of 700 Indian rupees crore over 10 years to set up a world-class e-mobility manufacturing plant in Ranipet, Tamil Nadu. At over 1.4 million square feet, the proposed Ranipet manufacturing plant, when ready, will be one of the largest state-of-the-art e-mobility manufacturing plants in the country. DIYguru signs MOU with AICTE and Ministry of HRD. DIYguru, an e-mobility upskilling edtech platform with corporate clients like Bosch, Hyundai, Maruti, has signed an MOU with AICTE and Ministry of HRD to engage students from engineering colleges in their after-school and last semester to provide job-assured electric vehicle nanodegree program. Jaguar Mobility launches high-speed electric bikes KM3000, KM4000. Goa-based startup, Jaguar Mobility has launched 2 new high-speed electric bikes, the KM3000 and KM4000. The KM3000 has peak power of 6 kilowatts, around 8 bhp, and is priced at 126,990 Indian rupees, while the KM4000 has peak power of 8 kilowatts and is priced at 136,990 Indian rupees.
That's all for this week. Have a great day. Visit www.climatesamurai.com for all the updates. Please like, share and subscribe.